How much does industrial downtime cost per hour? Most people get this wrong. And the real number is usually a lot higher than you think. For most facilities, downtime costs £5,000 to £50,000 per hour, and in larger operations, £100,000 per hour or more. In some industries, it can even exceed £1 million per hour. But here's the problem. Most companies only think about lost production. That's just one part of the cost. If your line stops, products aren't being made, orders are delayed, revenue disappears. Your team is still being paid, operators, engineers, maintenance, but nothing is running. When systems fail, materials get wasted, batches get scrapped, restarting can take hours. And downtime doesn't stay in one place. Missed deadlines, customer penalties, production schedules disrupted. Unplanned problems mean overtime, rush parts, and external support, always more expensive. Let's say your line produces 10,000 units per hour, at £2 profit per unit. That's £20,000 lost per hour. Add labour, scrap, and delays, and you're easily at £25,000 to £30,000 per hour. A 1-hour problem is rarely just 1 hour. It becomes time to diagnose, time to fix, time to restart. That one issue can quickly turn into a £100,000 event. From what we see on real sites, downtime is often caused by legacy PLC systems, poor panel design, lack of standardization, and limited visibility of faults. Not bad luck, system design issues. Downtime isn't just an inconvenience. It's one of the biggest hidden costs in your operation. And most of it is preventable. If you're dealing with recurring downtime, or systems that are hard to fault find, it's worth asking, is your system designed to run reliably or just designed to work? If you want systems built to reduce downtime, not create it, that's exactly what we do at Stratos. Stratos Controls, industrial automation built for reliability.